last episode, I finally got my bike from the best shop in Rhodes. Fully loaded, ready to roll, finally leaving the city behind and heading into the wild. This looks more like Côte d'Azur than Côte d'Azur I saw in France. Look at that color. So blue. The road out of town, tight, full of buses and trucks trying to take me down with every overtake. I had to stay sharp, constantly watching my back and holding a straight line. Then I put over at mini market to grab some water. The sun was already strong and I hadn't even reached the hard part yet. Lastly, I stopped at the airport, refilled my bottles, washed my face, pulled up my map and started planning. Next up, butterfly volley. The bike shop guy said it was a must-see. 7 kilometers there, 7 back, 14 total. How bad it could be. Finally a quiet road. I hope that will be worth it and I will see some butterflies. Yeah man, if I knew it would be uphill for 6 kilometers, I would change my mind. Halfway up, I started regretting my decision, but I was committed, so I kept pushing. Alright, so here we are. These butterflies. Don't tell me it's closed. What's going on? It's closed?
Yeah, but you still can go through the way.
Really? Cool.
Yeah. Don't take anything.
Oh nice, thanks. Have a nice trip. Woohoo! You had a lady. Entrance is for free, apparently. When I finally got there, the place was half abandoned. Gate open, no staff, definitely off season. What a nice place. But no butterflies. I wandered around for a bit, but I saw no butterflies, no crowds, just silence. It was peaceful, but was it worth the detour? Honestly, no, but at least I had the whole valley to myself. Now we are going back to the intersection. And our next mission is to get to Embonas, which is the village underneath the highest mountain here on Rhodes Island. Should be 22 kilometers, so pretty doable. And if everything goes well, I might hike to the top of the mountain today. Yes, finally first water fountain after 30 kilometers or so.
Then I stopped at the church with drinking water. Perfect place to take a quick break before the climb.
So the unwritten rule is that if you see a church in countryside, there's high probability that there is drinking water too.
It was getting late and Embonas was still far off. I wasn't gonna make it before dark, so it was time to start looking for a place to camp.
What a nice lively city. Would love to have a bottle of Coke. Yeah, as you could hear, dogs loves me.
Near Salakos, the landscape started changing. Forested peaks, fresh air. I could feel it. I was finally entering the mountain zone.
Wow, check this view. We are high, but not that high.
And then, jackpot. An abandoned firefighting outpost. A roof, water tap, even a view. Safe, quiet, basically perfect.
It's 6, so I've pretty much like 1 hour of sunlight. And there's no one, so this seems to be a perfect spot. There seems to be a water as well. Yep, water is working.
So I started unpacking, setting up the camp. Felt like I was winning again. Then I realized the key to my bike lock. It was gone, somewhere between the uphill climb and butterfly volley. Now I couldn't leave the bike alone, not for groceries, not for hikes, nothing.
I'm so stupid, but I lost my key to the bike lock. Damn, such a bad luck. Okay guys, I think I will definitely camp here. This place is too good to pass by. I mean, I have a shelter, I have water, and I will set up my camp here once the sun goes down, and I will rest, wake up early and think about how to stash my bike since I don't have a bike lock. And I still want to hike, but I don't want to leave my bike unattended.
So I only managed 40 kilometers today, and with just 6 days to circle the island, I knew I needed to refocus, get some sleep, reset, and start strong in the morning. But more about that in the next episode.
Okay guys, I just set up my bed earlier. It's 8 and I'm totally dead after yesterday night, so see ya tomorrow in the morning and good night.